y'all, welcome back to Off Grid Roadrunner Ranch. So guess what? You won't believe it, what we're doing.
Well, it looks like we're doing absolutely nothing, but the deal is we need our road to be passable for big trucks. Right now I'm doing little rocks and we're just making it a little bit smoother, but we're dragging these little tires around and they pop the bigger rocks out. And then the little grate in the background smooths it out. I like to call it the little redneck road repairs going on right here. So, and there's our little neighbor's dog. And yeah, so this is not very good, and it's not the right way to do it, but we have no choice. It's every day we come out here and it's just not easy to pass our road. So we're actually putting a lot of work. You can see the rocks we're pulling out are fairly big sometimes. All right, and you can see in the background there, our neighbor is actually helping us. We used the excavator and we actually drug this thing around for a good 12 hours. So he actually was widening the road and taking the bigger rocks out, and he actually took some of the angle out of the road. There was some pretty tilted areas and we're moving right along. We have big rocks moving out of there.
What's up, Richard? You having a good time? Huh?
Having a load.
A load. What's a load?
All right, well, this was just a little update showing you we have a lot of things coming. So do us a favor, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.